Alright guys, it is time for my Degusta Box. I've had this for about a week and just been so busy that I haven't got to open it. So I usually do these at work because I leave the snacky stuff at work so that I don't have like, you know, snack foods laying around the house. So let's get into this. Alright, this is ridiculous. Hold on. So the April box is Road Trip. Ooh, that looks fun. Okay, really quickly before I get into this month's box. Last month I got this stuff to make pickled vegetables and fruit. So I recorded myself making the pickled pineapple, and then I discovered that I had a pretty severe allergy to it, and it makes my face go numb. And so I was like, can't eat that. And so I made the onions and the apples as well, and I took them to Easter. However, when I put them in my bag, I did not realize that the containers that I had were not actually airproof or leak-proof. And my nephew knocked over the bag, and there was pickle juice everywhere. Luckily, it was the pineapples and the apples that spilled, not the onions, because that would stink really bad. And so I threw everything away. It was kind of gross, and it was my fault. So I apologize that I wasn't able to show you guys that. I did try, though. Sorry. Anyway, so here's the Road Trip box. Starting on top with some Angie's Boom Chicka Pop. We've talked about Boom Chicka Pop before. I love it. These are $3.49 for a grocery size bag, which is like a full size bag. These ones are 0.6 ounces. I believe a grocery bag is like 3 ounces. It doesn't say. But these are really good. We got real butter popcorn and cheddar cheese popcorn. Where are we gonna put these? Right there. Alright, the next thing is from Goya, which you know I love the brand. I also love plantain chips. Plantain chips are probably one of my favorite snacks that I've discovered that are as good as potato chips for me. There are 5 servings in this container, which is about 32 chips. I feel like with a plantain chip I get fuller faster, so that's not a problem. There is 18 carbs, one of them being fiber. So obviously they still have carbs. They're made out of plantains, which is similar to a banana. But I just find these to be so good. Have you guys... Let me just open these because that's what we do here. And I'll show you. So here's what a plantain chip looks like. It looks like a banana chip. But it has the taste of a potato chip and the like consistency of a potato chip, but I can't really explain the flavor. It's not total potato chip, but it's not banana. It's really good. I love them. All right. Is there 2 of these? Yeah. So these are Nutter Puffs. Puff snacks with real peanut butter and chocolate. They're made by Pop Chips. Ooh, we're gonna give this a try. I like Pop Chips. Sorry about that. Stupid phone. Alright. Pop Chips has gone nuts. Peanuts, we've taken everything you love. Oops, sorry. Taken everything you love about peanut butter and packed it into one perfect snack puff. Peanut butter Nutter Puffs are a symphony of sweet, salty memories born from our shared love of this seductive spread. Now that's peanut butter. So they look like Cheetos. They're covered in chocolate. Oh my god. That is the most delicious thing I've ever had. Oh my gosh. It tastes like real peanut butter in your mouth, and the puff kind of like melts down into your mouth. Oh my gosh. Okay, Roger has to get the other bag of this because he's a peanut butter fanatic. He will go ape over that. Let's put that in Roger's pile. Oh gosh. I haven't seen him in like 2 weeks. Like, I've been talking to him on the phone, but I haven't seen him in like 2 weeks. Alright. Now that we've got a little bit of room, I can move the box. Let's get this biggin' out. Ziegler's Mango Citrus Carrot Fruit and Veggie Juice Blend. There's a lot of sugar in this. 100% juice from concentrate with added ingredients. Water, sweet potato juice concentrate, mango puree, apple juice concentrate, orange juice concentrate, carrot juice concentrate. Kind of want to try this, but I don't have an empty cup in here. Ooh, I have, you know what I do have is shot glasses. Alright, let me just wipe this out real quick. Okay. Let me shake this a little more. I didn't shake it too much. It smells lovely. So this is mango citrus carrot juice. So I expect it to be orange. It is. Can you guys see how orange it is? It definitely smells like mango. It's really good. It's got a really nice, sweet, and tart flavor. I couldn't drink more than like a shot or two though, because I can already feel like the sugars from the vegetables kind of coating my mouth. So this is $3.99. Okay. So 8 ounces or 1 cup is a serving, 180 calories, 45 milligrams of sodium, which is great, but 42 carbs, 35 of that being sugar. They don't have any added sugar. That's all from the fruits. 1 gram of fiber, 2 grams of protein. So all of the calories are coming from the carbs, basically. If you're looking to get more fruit in your diet, this is probably a really good way. Huh. Okay. I'm not mad at it. It's something that I'll try. Maybe a shot of vegetables every morning. They also have apple cherry carrot and apple berry carrot. I would have preferred an apple berry, I think. But just because mango's not my favorite flavor. Anyway. And next we have Aloe Spring Mixed Berry Aloe Vera Juice. I've never had aloe vera juice. This is $1.99. Oh, did I say this was $3.99? How much were those pop chips? $1.49. Alright, let's try the aloe juice. Smells very berry. It's got a slight tint to it. Oops. Ew, there's chunks. What? Real aloe vera straight from... Okay. Real aloe vera juice and pulp straight from the leaf, paired with the beat of ALO tones, bring a positive boost to body and mind. Gluten-free, GMO-free. Okay, where's the serving size? Half of a bottle, 70 calories, 17 carbs, 6 of them being sugar. 14 of them is added sugar. Now, if you don't know what that means, companies will add extra sugar to make the flavor better. This is only 25% juice. So the ingredients are water, aloe vera juice, aloe vera pulp, cane sugar, which is better than, you know, most sugars, blueberry juice concentrate, cranberry juice concentrate, red grape juice concentrate, mulberry juice concentrate, citric acid, natural flavors, absorbic acid, grape skin extract for color. Makes sense. It's not bad. It tasted pretty good. It's something that I would drink. So, meh. I find this to be better than this. This is too much fruit for me. I know this sounds strange, but I'm not really into sugar that much. Like every once in a while, but I'm not used to eating a lot of fruits because I've been eating so low carb and like vegetables. How do I explain this without sounding stupid? I have been eating low carb with a crap ton of vegetables. And I've been eating that way for about 3 years. I don't eat a lot of fruit because the fruit doesn't make me feel good. I'm insulin resistant, and so when I have fruit, it makes me feel yucky. It like spikes my blood sugar and I don't feel good. So I try to avoid fruit. All right. We've got some handmade style tortillas, white corn and wheat from La Tortilla Factory. These are probably my favorite tortillas. They make really delicious tortillas. I love these. I'm going to make some enchiladas. Yes, I am. I've been craving enchiladas. So, oh, this is a mango box, man. We've got some Country Archer beef jerky and mango habanero. Let's give this a try. Oh, it's not resealable. I'm not getting... Oh, there's the habanero. I was just going to say, I'm not getting habanero. There it is. It's good, though. Like, it's not too terribly hot. And the mango kind of, like, goes with it. I'm digging that. Alright, something else from La Tortilla Factory. Barbacoa smoky chipotle Mexican herbs with a hint of lime. Oh, this is for your slow cooker. Let me show you the sauce back here. What barbacoa sauce starter? 2 pounds of boneless beef chuck roast cut into 2 to 3 inch pieces. I'm there. Didn't something else? Oh, I got a recipe book and it called for a big chuck roast. I probably have a chuck roast over in the freezer at Roger's house, so I might just do that. Okay, so here is some stew meat with that barbacoa that we got in the Degusta box. Pardon my voice, just woke up. This cooked on low for about 10 hours. You can see the meat is just falling apart. It smells so good. So I'm gonna take the meat out, strain the juice off, and probably make some tacos. Alright, this is Amazing Raisin lemon flavor. I am not going to be partaking because I don't like raisins and I don't like lemon flavor, so Amazing Raisins are $5.99 for a 5-pack. They are all natural fruit-infused raisins. They have these ones that are strawberries. Looks like a raisin, tastes like a strawberry. Do I dare try it? Alright. A strawberry raisin I might be able to get behind. Nope, still smells like raisins. Gross. Ugh. Okay, I could get behind these. They do taste like strawberries. I don't know, it still has that raisin, what am I trying to say? Texture. That's what I don't like. All right, we've got some candy that I'm not gonna open. I'm gonna take these to work. Finny Fizzy Tornadoes, a berry blend with a bit of fizz, soft and chewy candy. Finny Shock Tongues, 6 amazing flavors, sour candy belts. Probably take these to my sister, to be honest. She's all about the sour candy. Mini Collision, the boldest ever mix of sweet and sour licorice. So those are $1.09 each. Looks like the last thing we have is Tori and Howard Chewy Fruities Organic Candy Chews. They look like they're going to be Starburst. Like Starburst, but like, yeah. Alright, so fruity. I got 3 yellow, 2 orange, and a red. We're trying the red. Nobody likes yellow and orange. Oh, these nails don't allow me to do anything. There we go. Pomegranate and Nectarine is the red one. That's so interesting. Better than a Starburst. You can taste the actual fruit in it. So the flavors are pomegranate and nectarine, Meyer lemon and raspberry, and blood orange and honey. If I hadn't just ate a bunch of other stuff, I might try these other ones, but I'm going to put them in my keep pile. That was a pretty good box. I am not upset about it. That was a lot of good stuff to try. I really can't wait to try this La Tortilla Factory thing. I was going to make enchiladas, but I might just make this barbacoa and then have tacos. One of my food boxes did this week, so I have to go to the grocery store. They refunded my money, but I still have to go to the grocery store. So, yeah, great box. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I'll see you next month with our Degusta Box. Bye!